Welcome to the Sales and Reporting System. This is where you review sales performance, search and open any sale, manage returns, filter by date or customer, see top sellers, print reports, export data, and generate tax reports. Sales Dashboard. When you open the page, you would be met with the list of all the sales made within the given date range on the left and a chart of the sales on the right. At the top of the chart, you will see quick totals for today, yesterday, this month, this year. Below the totals, you can control the chart using two drop-downs. Select Chart to choose how the chart is grouped. Last 28 days for a day-by-day view. Monthly for a month-by-month view. A specific year to focus the chart on that year. Type to decide what you want to measure. Amount shows total sales value. Count shows the number of sales transactions. If you leave this view, click on the Show Chart from the Action menu to open the chart again. Use the Search Sale box to find any sale quickly. You can search by whatever details are stored on the sale, such as customer name, note, or description, or items in the sale. If you use a barcode scanner, you can scan a sale reference or receipt identifier. The system detects the scan and opens the matching sale automatically. To open a sale, click it in the list. The full bill appears on the right side. Filtering sales by date range. Date and time fields to filter sales to an exact period. This is useful for daily reporting, shift reporting, promo periods, month-end reconciliation, or auditing. Quick filters. From the Select Action menu, you can apply quick filters such as today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, unpaid for sales with an outstanding balance. The Action menu also includes Filter by Options. These filters depend on your system settings and may include customer, payment method, store, product, promo, and other sales fields. When you select one of these filters, a filter chip appears below the date range, and you can pick one or more values from the drop-down. For example, you can use this to compare sales for different products or for different customers. You can combine multiple filters at the same time to narrow the sales list. Managing till sessions. Till sessions allow sale attendant to track their opening cash and track all sales made within a shift. It allows administrator to reconcile the returned amount with what was actually recorded in the system. Select Filter by Sessions. You will see a session search box labeled Search for Till Sessions. Use the search box to find a session by user, date, time. Open a session to view its summary card and all bills generated in that session. You'll instantly see opening cash, total sales, expected cash, closing cash, and any difference. You can then add notes to note any detail like discrepancy and reason for it, if any. Top sellers and fast-moving products. Select top sellers. This view ranks products based on performance within the selected period. You can filter the ranked products using the filters at the top. Filter by category. Filter by supplier. You can change the criteria to rank by total amount sold, total quantity sold, or total profit. You can switch between chart and table to view the ranking visually or as a list. Printing. Top sellers. Use the Print button in the top sellers view to print the rankings. Setting full stock quantity for purchase planning. In the top sellers view, select products using the checkbox column, then click Update Stock. The system can set each selected product's full stock quantity based on how many units were sold in the selected period, with an optional margin you can add. This helps you plan restocking using real demand, so fast-moving items stay available. Printing sales reports. Select Print Sales to print a summary report. The printed report includes a summary section with totals, plus the list of sales. Items are summarized so the printout stays readable. Exporting sales. Select Export CSV to download your sales data as a CSV file. CSV can be opened with Excel and other spreadsheet tools. Tax report. The system can automatically generate your tax reports and filings for you. Set your from and to date range, then select Tax Report. The tax report summarizes key figures such as sales amount, cost of goods sold, sales profit, sales tax collected, purchase tax paid, net VAT or sales tax owed, and other tax-related totals based on your data. Returns, refunds, and stock accuracy. To process returns and refunds, you can scan the barcode on the receipt or search and open the sale from the list. Click on the red return button on the item to be returned. This would reduce the quantity or slash it out. You would then see the amount to be refunded. When the items are returned, the system updates inventory correctly and returns items back into stock using batch tracking. When a specific batch was used during the sale, the return is applied back to that batch to keep costing and batch history consistent. The return actions is also saved in the timeline/history at the bottom of the order panel. The Manage Sales page gives you a complete set of tools for sales reporting and control. Charts and summaries, fast searching with optional barcode scanning, powerful filtering including sessions, top sellers with profit and quantity rankings, printable reports, export to CSV for Excel, tax reporting, and accurate returns handling that protects inventory and costing.